Let me continue our discussion. Next question. The Boolean expression AB plus AC bar plus BC simplifies to option A BC plus AC bar, option B AB plus AC bar plus BC, option C AB plus AC bar, option D AB plus BC. This question asked in GATE 2017. I am going to solve this problem in two ways. Method 1 using K-map. Right? So here question based on three variable. So three variable K-map are drawn here. A, B, C. So A bar A, B bar C bar, B bar C, B C and B C bar. As per the question, first one is A, B. A, B. So A, B is appears here. This is A and this is B C, B C bar. So I can write 1, 1. The second one, AC bar. A is available here. C bar. AC bar here appears here. Here A, B bar, C bar, B, C bar. So I can write 1, 1 here. Next one, BC. So directly I can write 1 here. If I map, I can combine these two 1 and I can combine this one and this one. So if I write equation for this become BC, for this one AC bar, and the extra value common between these two combinations is redundant pair. No need of that redundant pair. So from this the option is option A. Option A. This is method 1. Method 2, see here, the question is AB plus AC bar plus BC. Here C is there, its complement is here, C and C bar, and also this A, B appear here also. Got it? So C, C bar, its nearby value B and A appeared here also. So this I can take it as redundant. So directly I can write the answer AC bar plus BC. So the answer is option A, BC plus AC bar. You can solve any way. Next question. GATE 2018. In the logic circuit shown in figure, the output Y is given by option A, Y equal to A, B, C, D. Option B, Y equal to A plus B into C plus D. Option C, Y equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Option D, Y equal to AB plus C. So this is the given circuit. All are NAND gates. NAND gates. So input is A, B. I can write as NAND gate output AB whole bar. Similarly, for this NAND gate, the output is C, D whole bar. For simplification, I take it as M. This is N. So Y equal to M dot N whole bar. So this I can split as M bar plus N bar. This M I can write it as A dot B whole bar. One more bar is here plus this N C D whole bar. One more bar is there. These two bars are cancelled. If this cancels, the final answer AB plus CD, that is given in the option D. Next question, GATE 2018. The digital input signals A, B, C with A as MSB and C as LSB are used to realize the Boolean function f equal to m0 plus m2 plus m3 plus m5 plus m7, where I value 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. Mi denotes the ith minterm. In addition, f has a don't care for m1. In addition, f has a don't care for m1. The simplified expression for f is given by option A, AC bar plus BC plus AC. Option B, A bar plus C. Option C, C bar plus A. Option D, A bar C plus BC plus AC bar. The question is look like very big one, but answer is very simple. Let us see the solution. Given question M0, M2, M3, M5, M7. This I can directly write it as F equal to F of A comma B comma C summation of M, that is min term 0, 2, 3, 5, 7 along with a don't care value given. In addition, F has a don't care of M1, so I can write it as 1. So here 4 variables not given, only 3 variables given. So we can map for 3 variable K map. Here 0, 2, 3, 5, 7 plus don't care value 1, 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. I fill all the value by 1, and one more is don't care, that is 1. This is 1. So I can combine these 4 together and these 4 together. If I combine these 4 together, I can get the value A bar. If I combine these 4 together, I can get the value C. So final answer Y equal to A plus A bar plus C. The option B is correct. See here, to make confused, option C they are given C bar plus C. Be careful when you choose the answer. You may get the answer A bar C. When you shade in the answer sheet by mistake, you may shade option C also, because this is relevantly given. So be careful when you write answer in the answer sheet. Answer for this question is A bar plus C. Question is look like big one, but answer is very simple one. Next one. This question asked in GATE 2015. F of A comma B comma C comma D is pi. That is max term. 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is a max term representation of a Boolean function F of A comma B comma C comma D, where capital is the A is the MSB and capital D is the LSB. The equivalent minimized representation of the function is option A plus C bar plus D into A bar plus B plus D. Option B, A C bar D plus A bar B D. Option C, A bar C D bar plus A B bar C D bar plus A B bar C bar D bar. Option D, B plus C bar plus D multiplied with A plus B bar plus C bar plus D multiplied with A bar plus B plus C plus D. See here the options given SOP and POS form. There's some options given in SOP, some options given in POS. So we need to handle carefully this problem. Let us discuss the solution. So first I take max term. So from given data, I fill all the zeros. Now if I trying to minimize, this is one octet, 8 values, this is one quad and this is one quad. So here one quad, sorry, 2 quad and 1 octet. Octet means the final answer may be only one variable. Quad means you can get 2 variables. So this is POS form output I may get. So from option given A comma C only as POS form. As per our discussion, one octet, 2 quad. So here one variable, here 2 variable is the answer, but it's not appear here. Right? So option A and option D both are wrong. Now I assume here 1%. If it is 1, if I minimize, I will get A bar C D bar. For this one, A B bar D bar. So if I combine these two by R of these two, A bar C D bar plus A B bar D bar, this answer also not matched with the given option of B and C. But if I minimize this option C, I can get the solution. So from option C, the common term, if I take A B bar D bar, C plus C bar become 1. So A bar C D bar plus A B bar D, the same what we get in the output of this K map. So option C is correct one. So in this question, both SOP and POS form given. So we need to handle this problem carefully by choosing the correct answer. Next one, take it as a practice question. In the following sequential circuit, the initial state, that is before first clock pulse of the circuit, is Q1 Q0 is 0 0. The state Q1 Q0 immediately after 333, right? 333 clock pulse is. The option given 0 0 0 1 0 1, option C 1 0, option D 1 1. The question is the state Q1 Q0 immediately after 333 clock pulse. So by our knowledge, we can say this is the Johnson counter. Why? This Q bar output is connected to J and this Q output connected to K. So this Johnson counter is a mod 4 counter. So using this key, Johnson counter mod 4, try to solve this problem and try to get the solution for this problem. Given circuit is Johnson counter mod 4. Why? One complement is connected to J, another Q1 is connected to K0. Okay. So after this, I stop the discussion for this day. Tomorrow we will meet with some more interesting questions from TRB, TNPSC and ISRO. Right? The digital electronics common for all the departments, all the PSU examinations. So we will discuss some more questions on tomorrow session. Thank you.